Back to 3 weeks, I made a video on how you can use your Android phone as a gamepad for your Android TV. Many of you guys were able to download this application on their phone but failed to do so on their Android TV. Files, photos, and APKs to your Android TV. So, without wasting any more further time, let's get started. Firstly, download an application called Send Files to TV from Google Play Store on your Android phone and give all the necessary permissions. And make sure that your Android TV is connected to your phone over a Wi-Fi, which means your phone will act as an portable hotspot. Now download the same application on your TV and follow the steps as shown in the video. That's all guys. This is the easiest way to send files, images, APKs which of yourself. Bye bye.